Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15AF. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15AF only works when plugged in, it likely means that the battery is failing or has completely died. This issue is common and happens when the battery cannot hold a charge due to age or wear. If left unaddressed, you may find yourself tethered to a power outlet, which can be quite inconvenient and ultimately lead to further damage to your device. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a new compatible battery, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. First, ensure the laptop is turned off and unplugged. Lay it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel, placing them in a safe location as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Inside, locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular component with a connector attached. You may need to disconnect some cables that are in the way. Gently lift the battery out after unscrewing any screws that secure it in place. Remember to apply a moderate amount of force. Too much can lead to damaging adjacent components. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and align it into the same position. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables that were disconnected earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. After everything is reassembled, put the back cover on and screw it back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, always use your laptop on a flat surface to help with ventilation. Additionally, avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis, as this can shorten its lifespan. Lastly, consider using a power management setting that optimizes battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.